Alright, today's episode is for anyone who thinks sailing is just sitting in a boat.
You've clearly never tried to tack in 15 mile per hour winds.
Or had your boom swing across and almost take your hat off.
Oh yeah. Or trying to hike while steering and trying not to capsize.
So here's how it works. You're using the wind, right? But the wind doesn't always blow the way you want it to go.
Yeah. So and that's why you tack and jibe. Because tacking is when you turn the front of the boat past and through the wind. And when jibing is when it's the opposite, when the back of the boat goes through the wind.
And if you don't know what those words mean, don't worry. We didn't know what they meant either. We're going to teach you them. But now we throw around those terms like pros.
Oh yeah. Alright, so let's break down some gear you might see on a sailboat.
Okay, the jib. This is the smaller sail in front of the main sail. It helps balance the boat and gives you more speed.
Yeah. So then the jib sheets, which are these little ropes, and yeah, ropes are called sheets in sailing. I'm not sure who created
There's also
them.
halyards too, but
Yeah.
it depends on what they do.
Yeah. The jib sheets control the jib, and when we tack, one of us releases the one jib sheet out of the cleat, and the other pulls it in so that the jib switches sides to catch the other side of the wind.
Okay, the spinnaker, a giant colorful sail used when the wind is behind you. You haven't used one yet, but they're like awesome when they fly.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, next, hiking straps. These straps are to help you hike, so you put your feet under it and lean on out of the boat. And so yeah, you're not walking around the boat, but you're leaning off the side of the boat so you don't capsize. It looks scary, but it's not. Once you learn how to do it, it looks very insane and kind of epic.
Yeah, probably not a good idea for your first lesson, unless you want to go swim. Maybe like your second or third, but not your first.
Yeah, and we've fallen in countless times. So if you guys capsize or like fall in anytime when you are sailing, it's completely normal. We've fallen in countless times.
Okay, when we were tacking, he fell in the water.
Oh yeah, it was really funny. I completely fell in. It was hilarious.
Alright, the direction your boat is pointing compared to the wind is called your point of sail.
Oh yeah, and nope, you can't sail straight into the wind. That's called the no-go zone. And if you're feeling fun, the danger Dorito.
The way I know is that your boat will stop moving
You might
and
even go backwards. It's kind of crazy.
yeah, you might even go backwards. But if you angle off just a bit, that's close hauled. The sails are pulled in tight and the boat's cruising upwind. It takes some effort, but you're moving.
Yeah, it's actually one of the fastest ways
Yeah.
to go. If you go a little farther from the wind, you're on a reach. And a beam reach is when the wind hits the side of your boat, or hits, and so say this is your sail, and then the wind goes like this. So go a little farther from the wind, and you're on a reach. A beam reach is when the wind hits the side of your sail, or of your boat and your sail, I guess. It's really fast and it's super stable. A broad reach is even more relaxed. It's like with the wind coming from behind you with a slight angle.
Yeah, so you just let out your sail just a little bit. Not all the way though, because that would be a run. Actually, speaking of a run, this is our next point of sail.
Yep.
So there's a run where the wind is coming straight behind you. You're basically just going the way the wind is, so you just let out your sail so that it can catch the most wind.
And surprising enough, it's actually not the fastest way. Like,
It's not the fastest,
you
yeah.
think it is, but it's not.
Yeah, because like on certain boats you can take it all the way out, but some of them they only go a certain amount out because of like how their rigging is. Yeah.
But you guys will all learn that if you just keep sailing and stuff, you know?
Yeah, but if you don't like let it out as far as it goes, it'll just luff and slow you down. You have to do both, not just the mainsail. Actually, for running, if you put the jib on one side and the sail on the other side, it'll make you go faster.
Way faster. It's actually crazy. Some boats even have a pop-up spinnaker. It's a big, like, looks like kind of like a balloon.
Yeah, it does look like
to
a
catch
balloon.
more wind, yeah, and it looks super cool, but it takes tons of skill. So that's why we haven't done it yet.
Yeah, we haven't done that. We're not,
Yeah.
So once you figure out how wind direction affects everything, you'll be sailing pretty fast, and you'll stop guessing. Okay, real talk. Remember our first time sailing?
Oh, yeah, definitely. You kept yelling, "We're tipping!"
Because we were. It's called healing, and it's part of the fun. But the first time it happens, you feel like you're about to fall in the water, and you might freak out, and you might capsize.
Yeah, the first time it happened to us, we didn't, though. We figured it out, but later on, I definitely
We have fallen in,
yes.
though. Like, I capsized like 4 times, like on camp, like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah. Everybody did, honestly. So here's some rundown of some parts and terms that you'll hear on the boat. So first of all, the boom, the swinging metal bar that holds the bottom of the mainsail, and it'll definitely take your hat off.
The main sheet, the rope that pulls in the mainsail so you can get to your points of sail.
Port and starboard, that's left and right. So port is left, and I remember that because they both have 4 letters, and starboard has more letters than 4, so that one's right. Yeah.
And from the back of the boat, because port is left, and
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Then you have...
you have your tiller, which you use to steer. It's connected to your rudder. If you're sitting on the starboard side of the boat and you push it to the left, you're gonna go right.
Yeah, it's like backwards. It's kind of inverted.
Yeah.
And then, next up is heeling, which is when the boat is like super lean.
It's leaning a lot.
Yeah, it's really
It's really fun though.
It's really fun. But it's totally normal. So if you feel like you're tipping, it's completely fine.
Yeah, but if you're tipping too much and you're going kind of fast, you should let out your sail to depower. That's just when you try to lose some speed. That's what depowering. And then jib sheets, the ropes that control the jib sail. Handle them right or your sail flaps and you get slowed down drastically.
Yeah. All right, so sailing is not just sitting on a boat, as you guys know. It's wind, teamwork, fast thinking, and yeah, it's super healthy too.
You're outside, moving around, working your core, and using your brain the whole time. It's like a workout that doesn't feel like one.
Oh yeah. Whether you're trimming in the jib, yelling ready to tack, or just learning what a jib sheet is, which was definitely us like 3 weeks ago.
You're already part of the crew.
Yep. So this is the Nandi Boys podcast, where we talk guts, brains, and both. Bye.
Bye.